Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a challenge here, under the trigonometry. And the question is sine 2 theta minus 10 degrees is equal to negative 0.5. And then you asked to get theta under the range from 0 up to 360. So the theta is what we want to get. Now, the first step here is to look at the question, carefully, and you realize that we have negative 0.5. So be careful because it is negative, it is not positive. So the first step here is to find the angle whose sine, because this is sine, whose sine is negative 0.5, but you cannot get it direct. You need to use what we call the unit circle for you to get the angle whose sine is negative 0.5. But now we know that sine of 30 is equal to 0.5, which is now a positive number. But we want the value which is negative number there. So that means for you to get the question, you are required to use a unit circle. A unit circle. So in a unit circle, we have, let's say, all stupid taxes will be cancelled. Of course, with our able MPs, or you can say all students take coffee. It all depends. So long as the first quadrant A, second one is S, T, and C. So what does that mean? That all are positive here. All are positive there. That means that the sine, the cosine, and the tangents, they are all positive. In the second quadrant here, S means only sine is positive. The rest are negative. The third quadrant here means only tangent, only tan is positive. The rest, which is cosine and sine, are negative. And the last one, which is the fourth quadrant, means only cosine here is positive. The rest are negative. So, for us to get the angle whose sine is 30, we know it is 0.5. But we want the sine, we want where the sine is negative. So that means we only know that the sine is only negative here and there, the third one and the fourth quadrant. So how can we get the angle there? You take from here up to here, that is 180. Then you will add 30 for you to fall in the third quadrant. So that means it is 180 plus that 30. This is our reference. Plus 30 and you get 210. So when you check the sign of 210, you will get negative 0.5. So the first one is sine of 210. Now another one. How can you get another one? Where the sign is negative also is the fourth quadrant. So how do you get it here? So you go one round, that is 360. Then you minus 30. Then you minus 30, you get 330. So another angle is sine of 330. Then we have completed the first round. You can go, class, let me tell you, those angles are as many as possible. You cannot finish them. Because you can go the first round, second round, third round, fourth round, 100 round, you will still, the angle whose sine is negative 0.5. There are as many as you see. You cannot even finish them up. So let's go the second round. The second round, we will go 360 up to there. Then we add 180, which is 0. Let's add it together. That is 4, that is 5. Then you add that our 30 for you to fall in the third quadrant in the second round. You add 30 and you get 570. You get 570. Then the last one here, you go 360 and 360. That is 720. Then for you to fall back, you deduct 30. which is 690. 690. So the sign of 690 is negative 0.5. The sign of 570 is negative 0.5. You can also go the third round. We can also go the third round, the fourth round, and the fifth round. So since now sine of 2 theta is equal to that, now we can get theta because sine will just cancel out. So we have 2 theta minus 10 is equal to 210. Then 2 theta is equal to 220. Is equal to 220. Then theta is equal to 110 degrees. That's the first one. The first value of theta. Let's get the second value of theta. 2 theta minus 10 is equal to 330. Then 2 theta is equal to 340. Then theta is equal to 170. Another value of theta. 2 theta minus 10 is equal to 570. Then 2 theta is equal to 580. Then theta will be 290. Then the last one, 2 theta minus 10 is equal to 690. Is equal to 690. 2 theta is equal to 700. Then theta is equal to 350. Theta is equal to 350. So our theta under the range, remember we ask under the range from 0 to 360. So when you go to the third round, it will be more than 360. So the theta that we ask are 110 degrees, 340, 170 degrees, 290 degrees, and 350. So it's easy as A, B, C. So that is the answer. So this is how we mark it. If you getting the values which are the same as the negative 0.5, we give you method 1. If you getting you see, you're getting well, then we're giving you B1. Then if all the answers correct, we are giving you answer 1. Thank you so much. But before I leave you, in case you're watching this video for the very first time, just click that subscribe button so that the next time we produce a video like this, YouTube will automatically notify you. Thank you so much, and may you have a nice day.